Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I was so happy, I don't know why. But you guys, I am doing that clean makeup look today, you guys. And I am starting out by priming my face with that e.l.f. matte putty primer. I think this primer is supposed to be like all of the putty primers from e.l.f. are supposed to be comparable to the Tatcha primers. I do not have the Tatcha primer. I don't know how much. I think the Tatcha primer is like 50 something, if I'm not mistaken. 50, 40 something, up in that price range of too expensive for Danny to go and get right now. But that is what I'm priming my face with, that matte putty primer from e.l.f. And now I am going in and I am filling in my eyebrows, y'all, because your girl don't have any. As you can see, it's a little bit of hair there, but it's not a lot of hair there, you guys. Instead of God placing the hair on my eyebrows, he placed it on top of my head, and I'm so happy for the follicles that I have on my head because I have a lot of hair. But Lord, you ain't give me no eyebrows. That's the only thing, Lord. Like I'm thankful, Lord. I promise you, I'm thankful. I love everything that you gave me, but you ain't give me no eyebrows, Lord. None whatsoever. And now I am going to be taking a foundation, the same shade as my skin, and I am going to be cleaning up under my eyebrows. And y'all, this foundation is the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. And if you've been a long time watcher of my channel, then you know that nothing on my face should be dewy and smooth. I promise you, you guys, I'm oily. I'm an oily girl. So that is why this foundation is strictly used to do eyebrow cleaning up. I cannot and I will not put this all over my face, just because, like I said, I am oily, like oil slick. I can't do it. So after I place that concealer, well, that foundation under my eyebrows to clean them up, I am blending it in. And y'all, look, that just looks so, like, it looks like my eyebrows are just naturally like that. Like, girl, the eyebrows, yes, come through, sis, with the eyebrows. And now I am taking care of that darkness under my eyes, and I am placing that Juvia's Place concealer. And since this is a clean makeup look, I didn't place too much, not too much, just enough to just go ahead and cancel out some of that darkness that is under my eyes. And y'all, this is the trick right here. Take a big foundation brush with no product on it, like a buffing brush, and then buff out the edges of your concealer under your eye. Promise you, it makes for a soft, seamless finish. And y'all, I don't know why my setting powder did me like that, but it did me so wrong when I opened the top. But this is that Crayon Case Chalk Dust setting powder, and I am placing that all under my eyes, and it just brightens your eyes without that flashback, and it sets that concealer. And then I'm going in with this Viral TikTok foundation powder, the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour powder. And I kind of like this powder. It does, when you dip your brush in there, it does give all of that fallout. Like, it crumbles when you do that. So that is one thing that I will say about it. And I did do a product review on that on this powder, but it does do that crumbling when you dip your brush in it. That's one of the only things that I don't like about this powder. But me personally, when I do a powder foundation, I'm not doing it for a lot of coverage, and so I like the coverage that this particular foundation powder gives. It's not heavy, and it feels pretty nice on my skin, because I don't like those products that feel like they suffocate in my skin. So yeah, I like this powder for when I'm just not doing any foundation at all. And this is something that I do just to give my eyes that extra little is I do a little wing on the outer corners. That's it. I don't take the liner all the way in. I just do a little something on the outer corners, as you guys can see. And then I'm going in with this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This mascara is okay. It's not my Maybelline Lash Stiletto, but it's okay. It gets the job done. I'm not gonna say it's one of my favorite mascaras, but she'll do. And any clean look has to be set off with a bomb lip. And that is why we are going in with that Fenty Glow. That Fenty Glow. Yes, ma'am. Just look at it, y'all. I love this lip gloss. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. Just in general. Like, I can't say just in general, it's one of my favorite lip glosses in my collection. And y'all, we gotta set our face. We gotta set all of that in. So I'm using that Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to just go ahead and set everything in, make everything look good and polished and cohesive. And y'all, I bought out the old school fan. Yes, fan girl, fan. I'm so extra. But this is the finished clean makeup look, you guys. And I love this look with my little space buns. I feel like I look so just fresh and so youthful, if I do say so myself. I want to say thank you guys for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.